There's just something about a big, bold American sedan with muscle car DNA that hits different. And if you remember the days when the Impala SS ruled the streets in the 90s, then this next part is going to hit you right in the nostalgia. Because yes, Chevy's doing it. The 2026 Impala SS is officially back, and it's not just riding on the past. It's bringing that old-school power into a modern, tech-savvy world. Before we jump in, go ahead and tap that like button and subscribe if you love real-world car reviews and retro legends making a comeback. Let's break down what's new and what makes this 2026 Impala SS worth watching. At first glance, it's clear the Impala SS isn't trying to blend in. This isn't a subtle sedan. It's wide, low, and wears that signature SS badge with pride. The front fascia gets a darkened grille with red accent lines, flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a mean, focused look. Along the side, you've got crisp body lines that echo the muscle car era, sitting on standard 20-inch alloys, or optional 22s if you really want to flex. Out back, quad exhaust tips and a subtle lip spoiler. It doesn't scream, it growls. Here's where things get spicy. Under the hood, the 2026 Impala SS drops a 6.2-liter LT 2V8, borrowed from the Corvette Stingray, producing 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but Chevy's rumored to be testing an AWD version for colder markets. 0 to 60? Expected in around 4.2 seconds. Yep, this thing moves. And no, it's not electrified, at least not yet. This SS is all gas, all growl, old-school power done right. Inside, Chevy blends classic cues with today's tech. Think flat-bottom steering wheel, red contrast stitching, SS logos embossed into the seats, and a digital cockpit that still pays tribute to analog layouts. You get a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a 13.4-inch center display, with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. Rear seat space is generous. Trunk is huge, because yes, this is still a full-size sedan. But everything's sharper, tighter, and more premium than any Impala before it. The 2026 Chevy Impala SS doesn't just bring the name back, it revives a legacy with real muscle and a modern soul. In a market full of crossovers, this sedan dares to stand tall, wide, and unapologetically bold. So now the big question, is this the return of the true American muscle sedan? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this over a Charger Scat Pack? Should Chevy go hybrid next, or keep the V8 alive? Smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more throwback legends getting a 2026 reboot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.